Welcome to this review of SunFrog, a popular dropshipping platform that specializes in custom apparel. This website offers a wide variety of products like t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories, all of which can be customized with designs uploaded by sellers or chosen from its pre-existing catalog. You can set up your own store without upfront inventory costs and sell products on demand, making it a great option for anyone starting a dropshipping business. The site has a simple layout that's easy to navigate, and it allows you to manage everything from product designs to customer orders in one place. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Once you set up your SunFrog account, you can customize your store's appearance and add products that will attract your target market. The site offers a variety of tools to help you optimize your listings and increase sales, such as integrated marketing tools and analytics that track your store's performance. One thing to note about SunFrog is that they take a commission from every sale, which is something to consider when pricing your products. But with the convenience of handling everything for you, this is a trade-off that many dropshippers are willing to make. If you're new to SunFrog or dropshipping in general, the platform has a helpful FAQ section and support team that can guide you through the process. Additionally, you can join the SunFrog community to connect with other sellers and get tips on how to grow your business. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video to stay updated with more tips on making money online.